Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday today, and I hope you're all well. So let's get started with our date. And it is Thursday, the 11th of March, 2021. Thursday, the 11th of March, 2021. Let's take a quick look at our spellings then, and I'm sure you can say them before me at this stage. Meter. Feet, feel, green, each, please, Easter, leave, finally, easy, key, money. We're now on question 7 in Sounds in Focus, and it asks you to rewrite these words adding S to each one. However, you can't just add an S, because when a word ends in a Y and a consonant, so not a vowel, but when it ends in a Y and then a consonant just before that, when you add S, you actually have to take the Y away and then write IES. So party becomes parties by taking the Y away and adding IES. And we do the same with the other words as well. We take the Y away, we add IES, and then we write the new word on the line. Question 8 then reminds us, though, that if a word ends with a Y and a vowel before it, then you just have to add S on the end. So to write keys, we would just write KEYS. And the same with the other words in this section. We just have to add an S. So write the new word with an S on the end. Question 9 asks you to finish each sentence with either litres or meters. So one of the two words. And we know that litres is a measure of liquid. So a jug might measure liquid in litres. And meters is a measure of distance. So you know we have meter sticks in our school. We've done measuring with them before, and with measuring tapes, so meters is a unit of distance. So let's look at our sentences. I drank 2 something of water, so litres or meters. The people ran 80 something. This seat is 2 something long, and we needed 8 something of paint. And that should be enough Sounds in Focus for today. Although you can, of course, work ahead if you wish. Today for our literacy, we are looking at spelling mistakes. And it is your job to correct these mistakes. So you are the teacher today. Now you'll see in the first section, each spelling mistake is circled. So you know which word you have to correct. In the second section then, you have to find the misspelled word and then spell it correctly in the line at the end. So for example, question 1 there, put a full stop at the end of a sentence. Well, now that is not how we spell sentence, is it? So see if you can spell it correctly at the end, and if you have a dictionary at home, it might help you with spelling as well. Let's look at one question from the second part. The dog had been very naughty. Now, what do you think that was supposed to be? The dog had been very naughty. So you would have to spell naughty correctly in the box at the end of the line. All right? Your numeracy for today is very similar to what you've been doing earlier in the week. We are continuing with subtraction, and the only difference today is that the numbers are a bit bigger, and a lot of them have 3 digits. Now that doesn't make the question actually any more difficult. You just keep following the pattern that we did before. You start at this side, starting with your units, and you take away. Then you move on to your tens, and then today you also move on to your hundreds. Okay? So this would be 7 take away 6, 5 take away 2, and 3 take away 1. And if you have a 3-digit number and you're taking away a 2-digit number, it's just the same. 7 take away 6, 5 take away 3, and there's nothing here, so you would just say 6 take away nothing is 6. All right? And that is our maths for today. Carry on with your reading, boys and girls. It is so, so important. And try your best to take an AR quiz. Because as you know, our March challenge is on at the minute. And the top 3 people who read the most words will get a prize. And your words can't be counted unless you do an AR quiz. Because otherwise we can't really know what you have read. Okay? So try to get that one AR quiz done every week. And then pop on to Sumdog if you have time as well. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.